chord is nothing but creating harmony for your melody. So what is the harmony, how it happens? So when you play one or more notes together, okay, that is harmony. Like we whatever we melody we play, it is called monophonic.
Mm-hmm.
Monophonic means only one note at a time. We're not going to play it more than one note at a time, so it gives only one sound. But when you play more than a one note together, it gives a polyphonic effect. That polyphonic effect is also called as harmony. When it becomes harmony and like when it fits what supposed to be played in together, that is a chord that has certain rules. Okay,
Okay.
what those rules are? First we need to have a root note. That means you're the first sa what we play, that is okay, root note. That
Okay.
root note. And we need to have a fifth position of a scale, fifth note. Fifth note means not fifth key, fifth note, that is your pa. Understood?
Uh-huh.
And another same root note in higher octave. This is the one of the basic harmony creation. Okay, see how this sounds. For example, if you play now, you should play the Pamagari. Deck the halls and okay.
Okay, so it's like this.
Not so low. You have to do it next octave, next octave, not so low. Do
Oh.
it here. Do it. You have to stretch your fingers like, see, no need to so much. See, hold your fingers like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is always, these two always fixed. Okay, your, this is your lower C, this is your higher C. Okay, yes, yes, carefully. Like it's not, if you do like this, for not only for you, for anybody in the world, so this is not, this is going to hit all other unwanted keys. So what we have to do, we have to take it here like this. See, make it like this. Yes, very good, good
Okay,
catch.
so instead of going like this, you kind of like bend it down like this.
Yes, it's in the tip like this.
Oh, like
It
this.
because yeah, like that, but you cannot do both the hands because your right hand is going to play the melody. Got it?
Yeah.
Understood? Okay. Come on. So this is the chord basically. For that, we are going to add the fifth note. So this becomes power chord.
Okay.
Got it?
So right here.
So which figure we are going to use? Which figure we are, see, the most easiest thing is using this index, your pointing finger, because see it can be stretchable. Like, see, if you're going to use any other fingers, these two are not so easy to stretch. See, difficult. So this is in place already. You don't need to put more effort to stretch this out. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Do this.
Oh.
Yes, like that. Next catch is like that. We need, in your thumb is not pressing proper key. Your thumb is pressing only B. Yes, that is should go to C. And now we are going to
Oh. This.
see, the interesting part is not only limited for C. We are going to do this for every key
Oh.
like this. What happens now? The interesting part here, once you fix this range in your fingers, that can be done through right hand, left hand, both. Okay, see, once you fix this range, so the beauty of this thing is your C and this C is in the same distance. If you put this finger, your pinky is in D, this also goes to D. Okay, so no need to worry about, so am I pressing the right key or not. No need to worry. The distance once you fix like this, it obviously goes to the whatever. Then you have to use your pointing finger for the middle note of the scale. What it is, that pa, your fifth note. Okay, sa pa sa pa sa pa sa pa sa. Okay, like this. First you practice this power chord. Okay, so this fits. Advantage is that this fits in a whole song everywhere. It won't go wrong. Okay,
Okay.
and to add a mood, like what kind of feel that chord or that the way you travel through the song, it shows what kind of mood you require. That is decided by your third note. What is the third note? Is sa re ga. So how do you play ga? Got it? So this is for C. For C it is fine. Okay, it's in place. But for D, but it is in like scale, the D is the next note. So that means re for you. Okay. For re, what is that? Same thing. For re also re and higher re and middle note becomes, since C to D is one gap is there. So here also we have to move one gap here. Okay. Hmm? So this becomes power chord. And what is the third note here? This becomes sari. And what, which ga we are using? We are using this ga 2.
Okay.
Okay, so we are not using ga 3. We are using ga 2 here because it's not in the scale. So we got two types of chord. One is using ga 3 here. The sound is bright. It's not so bright. Okay, this like a sun, this like a moon. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Sun is so
Okay.
bright, moon is not so bright, yet it gives a cool, fine, okay, that feel when you go in the evening. So it gives a
Okay.
different feel. But when you go in the sunlight in the morning, it's so hot, bright, and it's more energetic. Like that in the song also, you should use these things. Okay. Now we are going to use this pa magari. Okay, pa magari. What's supposed to be here? We are using the keys. Pa we are using, ga we are using, re we are using. Sa re ga re, sa re ga, sa re ga ma re ga ma re ga. What are the keys we are using? This can be done, and this also can be done. Okay, like that you have to practice your left hand along with the right hand. Okay, for instance, now since these fingers are going to clash here, we are going to use pa. Otherwise what you can do, you can just invert the chord. Pa sa ga pa also you can do. Pa ma ga re, like this. Okay, you have to move everything. Once you move, you have to move all the fingers. This like this you have to apply chords. So you need a lot of practice for this. Looks easy when someone is playing, but when you want to play, it needs a lot of practice. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
understanding is just 1 minute concept. This is what we have to do. We have to do all the way. Just what big deal in this? Okay, but doing continuously, like how you breathe, you no need to learn to breathe, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to put any effort to breathe, right? It happens automatically, right? Like that, all these musical notes, what we do, movements. So whenever you want to walk, you don't tell your legs go, wake up, get up, put step, like that. We don't say, right? It happens automatically, right? When you think of walking, you will walk, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The same way, when you want to think of this card, you have to pick it up, go with this. The only thing is you should practice, you should give practice to your hands, like fix this range 1 2 3 4. These fingers should be in the range properly, so then only it happens. Okay, practice this, start from today. Okay,
Okay.
slowly, don't hurt your hand too much. Practice slowly, try to get first these two, then add the fifth, then add the third. Okay,
That would be like a little hard for me because I can't trip my fingers that well.
you if you practice, it used to be initially. For me, even for me it happens. For me, I struggled a lot. Sometimes I thought of, okay, why this only I can play in right hand. No, this gives a lot of beauty into the song. It adds beauty. Okay, It defines what kind of song, what emotion it is. It defines. Otherwise, it's a miniature, like small, short one. Like you just use root, third, and fifth. Use the fingers, pinky, middle, and thumb. Just shift like this. Make sure that you're using the right keys. Okay, this finger, fix this. See what happens? It should be right at fifth position. I will tell how to count fifth position even if you forgot. See how what is the distance between this root key to this fifth position. See, count the keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh key. Okay. After this, not counting this. This is there already. We are here in this house. After this house, where we are going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And what is the third key distance? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. If when you go to D, the third key changes. There it makes difference. Okay. Here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Only. Okay. And this is called major, and this is called minor.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, major and minor.
Super. So what major sounds like a sun, minor sounds like a moon. That's it.
Because
Okay.
like major is brighter.
Brighter. Yes. Got the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Superb. Go ahead now. Just play three keys. This is how it works. Whenever the checkpoint is there, we are going shifting the point. What is those checkpoints are? The beat number 1. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we are changing the chords now. And when you are not able to do right hand only left hand for this so you cannot stretch, you can use this right hand thumb finger only to if you only playing chord, because this guides you that what is the root note. See,
Okay.
oh, I have to play chord for C because my thumb is playing C. So then I have to play chord for D because my thumb is playing D. So then I'll jump into some other key like Pa. When my right hand playing Pa here, I have to choose left hand also for Pa Ni Ri. And the most interesting part, you know the Dato Rase?
Uh-huh.
What is happening here?
We're skipping keys.
Yes, what we do in Dato Rase?
Skip keys.
Once you know the Dato Rase, you know the chords is already there in place. Okay? So just you need
Okay.
to figure out it, just correlate things. So we already learned the chords in Carnatic how through Dato Rase, but we don't know, we don't play together there, don't create harmony, but we do polyphonic like this, like that we do. Okay, here also same thing happening. When you play that Dato this becomes seventh chord. Okay. Do that.
Sure.
Did you observe one more thing here? See, whatever we do, we doing sagapa sagapa sagapa. You got it right? For C, G will be pa. For D, A will be pa. Right? The fifth note. Pa means fifth note. We are doing thumb with fifth note. So whatever you do here like this, it gives one more thing. It brings you to one more thing, that is what is the pa for each keys. Okay. For C, this is the pa. For D, this is the pa. For E, this is the pa. That is fifth note. Okay. When I am teaching Western concept, I'll teach you that what is the exact name of these notes. We call it as tonic. We call fifth note as a dominant. Whether we discussed it or not earlier, I don't know. But for now, you just remember this. Okay. Sa, pa, and adding ga will bring chord. Okay, in Carnatic we call it Datu verse. In the Datu verse we skip the notes and play, and the same skipping notes we are playing together here, that creates a chord, that forms a chord. Okay, keep these simple things in mind. Okay, now we are going to apply to the song the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Ga, ma, ma, ga, ga, re, re, sa. So it makes you easy because it's familiar one, right? Sa, sa, pa, pa, da, da, pa, ma, 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 ga, ga, re, re, sa. Do this in metronome. And one and two and three and four. Like that, you have to give a count in mind. Okay,
Okay.
start.